Hi everybody, it's Marcy and welcome to day 7 of 7 Days of Summer collaboration between Kara Brandon Creations and Dear Julie Julie. So for day 7 we're using this page from Kara Brandon Creations where we have several journaling cards, we've got words, we've got labels and ephemera. And from Dear Julie Julie we've got a couple of really long tags and some more journaling cards. So what I've done is I made this little journaling card, started with the base of Kara's card, added a flower from Dear Julie Julie that was on another day, and then I added a little bit of lace and her pinkish journaling card with the little girls on top, made sort of a layered journaling card. Then here I used one of Julie's long tags and turned it into a library type pocket and put down some of my gingham paper and used one of her smaller journaling cards just to embellish the pocket a little bit. And inside it I've got this Kara Brandon journal card with a little bit of lace, ants heading to the watermelon, and just a little phrase, "It's the little things that make life big." And that journaling card can sit right in there. Actually, I guess this one could too, but I think I'll keep that mostly about the watermelon. Then I used Kara's card, the Strawberry Tart, and I love this card. I love it just the way it is. So I really didn't want to cover it up much. So I just added a little bit of bling, and on the back I made sort of a folded sort of a hinged fastener so that when I glue the edges down, it'll become a corner tuck, but it'll have a little more room to move. And to go inside that, I made this little notebook using one of Kara's cards on the front and part of Julie's tag on the back, and just bound that together. And it's just a very simple little notebook just to write some notes in and such. So that is what I've got for day 7. I am hopeful to have, my journal is going to be more of probably more of an album than a journal, in that I foresee adding pictures and of course notes regarding the pictures of what we do this summer, just for my husband and I, just our fun summer outings this year. But I hope to have that done for you by tomorrow. If not, I will have it up within the next couple of days. This has been a complete wonderful time, and please be sure to check out the other great artists linked below in my description box. And until next time, please have a wonderfully crafty day, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye-bye.